HoneywellStore.com is your one-stop shop for all your humidifier needs this season. With well over a dozen humidifiers to choose from to make your living space more comfortable and so many features to compare, it's easy to be overwhelmed when choosing the right humidifier for you. We at HoneywellStore.com want to simplify that process for you, so here are our top 5 humidifier recommendations. The HCM 350 and HCM 350B both come with a patented germ-killing process that continually kills up to 99.9% of water-bred germs, bacteria, mold, and spores in the water using UV technology and the included Protect-treated antimicrobial wicking filter. These humidifiers are easy to fill with the traditional fill design you can fill up at any sink with a wide tank opening, and easy to clean with a dishwasher-safe water tank and tray. Quiet Care technology allows these humidifiers to run 25% quieter than similar evaporative humidifiers, and there are 3 speed settings to choose from to adjust the moisture output and sound level. These humidifiers are recommended for medium-sized rooms. The HEV 620W and HEV 620B offer more flexibility when it comes to refilling. These humidifiers have tanks that function as both a traditional fill design as well as a top fill design, meaning you can fill at the nearest sink or fill with a pitcher of water, giving you more options when it comes to convenience. The inclusion of a wicking filter helps to remove minerals from the water to prevent white dust. There's a programmable LED digital humidistat on the top of the units and a 12-hour timer so you can set and forget. All this comes in a sleek, space-saving tower design to match any decor, and these humidifiers are recommended for large rooms. The HWM 845B and HWM 845W are warm mist humidifiers and completely filter-free. The warming process boils the water inside the tank, providing you with a warm, visible 99.5% bacteria-free mist without the need for a filter. They offer 2 moisture output settings on an easy-to-use front-facing dial, and an essential oil cup feature is present on the top, giving you the option to use essential oils for extra comfort. The tank has a traditional fill design with wide opening to easily fill and clean. These humidifiers are recommended for medium-sized rooms. The HUL 430W and HUL 430B are part of the Designer series, offering a sleek and modern approach to humidification. These products are filter-free and have ultra-quiet operation, providing you with a cool, visible mist, and come packaged in a stylish design that works with any decor. The addition of an essential oil tray on the back of the unit lets you add essential oil for extra comfort. Controlling these units are as easy as adjusting the mist control scroll on the front of the unit, and refilling is made easy with a traditional fill design with wide tank opening. These humidifiers are recommended for medium to large-sized rooms. And to finish off this list is the HUL 520 series of cool mist humidifiers, which give you both a compact and easy-to-use humidifier, as well as a stylish and modern design in multiple colors, giving you the ultimate in flexibility when it comes to matching your home's decor. These humidifiers come in white, black, red, and blue, don't require a filter, have ultra-quiet operation, and a simple dial control humidistat on the front. Refilling these units is simple with the traditional fill design and large tank opening. The HUL 520 series is recommended for small-sized rooms. As a bonus buy, we'd also recommend the HE360A1075 if you're looking for a whole house humidification solution. This whole house humidifier is a powered flow-through humidifier that can handle homes up to 4,500 square feet. For more information or to purchase any of the products from this list, visit www.honeywellstore.com.